Fuck, what a banger. What a banger. Okay, let me change the stream title and category. Yeah. Your eyes just turned into dollar signs there, Budro. Okay, change the tags. I'm actually impressed with myself that I remembered to do this. Game development. We'll go programming. We'll go C++. We'll go Raylib. We'll go pixel art. There we go. Couple, it's like The Departed here. All the libs. Trolls trying to out-troll each other. Alrighty. Okay, so now let's get some tunes rocking here. Even though we're gonna be, the game has like a rhythm and music thing. Let's throw in this Operation Ivy, bro. This was excellent. Let's put this album on. Oh, I love it. Someone's in your shower waiting for you, buddy. You shut the fuck up, Freezing. Freezing knows exactly how to get me all riled up. Plays me like a fiddle. This son of a gun. Dude, isn't it disgusting? 3,000? Almost 4,000. It's just stupid, man. I don't even check any of them either. I see that number and I'm just like, ugh. It's trying to rizz me up. Oh, sorry. Couldn't tell. Freezing and Conrad, these two sons of bitches, man. Fucking guys, Jesus Christ. All right, let's see. I'll show you what we're working on here. I just pause this for a sec. Imagine only having a semicolon. 9+. Everyone except ours muted. Yeah, I'm in. How many am I in here? I'm in so many of them. There's a couple that I like paying attention to. This one I just joined. This is the Raylib, which is the library I'm using to make the game. So this one's cool. This one is a guy who's making a game called Maskborn. He's super nice. Been chatting with these folks about game dev and stuff like that. And then this one is the Saskatchewan Game Dev Discord. So I'm a little bit active in this one. And then mine. And that's it. This one, Odin programming language. And then all of these are just like other streamers and stuff. Like look at Destro's 589. Sorry, Destro. I haven't popped in there in a while. It's bad news. Bad news. Jack Crocky, welcome in. Noel Carey. Who is Noel Carey? I don't even know who that is. Yeah, so many I joined way back when, and then just too many goddamn notifications. Who is this Noel? What is it? Noel Carey. Who the fuck is this? Just making guys up now, man. What is this, like a Teddy Swims meets Elton John fucking thing going on here. Thank you for that follow, whoever that was. That was Jack Crocky. Thank you very much for the follow. One of my OnlyFans guys, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's this is what we're working on. Working on juicing this up a little bit. So this is gonna be like, I have an idea for, it'll be like an RPG. And instead of like a turn-based battle system, it'll be something kind of like this. Oh, you guys aren't hearing this, are you? Fuck. This is so annoying. Because I have to, so I got to go full audio. Yeah, fuck. The whole point of like routing this audio differently was to not get Spotify to, not send Spotify to YouTube so I don't get yanked off of YouTube. But the problem is that every time I boot up that window, I would have to go into OBS, add that window as an audio source so you can hear it. It's just stupid. So we'll just go full desktop audio and we just won't listen to copyright music. All right. Try this again. So you just got to hit the notes at the same time. I'm trying to juice it up a little bit and just make it look kind of, I don't know, alive, little like movements and stuff. You got to hit the notes on time. You got to remove all of the little HP squares. But I got some problems right now. This text is not centering properly. I just added the floating text yesterday, so it kind of like bobs up and down like this. But like the breathing effect and the animation frames, everything's all synced up to the music. Sunked up. Poor Maggot, he's done. Aunt Rosie's clone. Missed one. He still died. Still died. All right, let's, you know what we'll do is we'll just do the old royalty-free background music. Ba-da-dee-doo-dee-dee-dee. What do we got here? 80s synthwave playlist. Yeah, you know what? You're absolutely, you bet your fucking ass. Business Wave. I forgot all about Business Wave. How could I forget? Corporate Casual. Business Vaporwave mix. I love it. Sorry, it might be super quiet for you guys. Synthwave is good. I really like synthwave stuff. Okay, what was I working on right before the stream started here? What was I doing? You know what we could do is this. I want to get these. I want to have the maggot kind of go like oh, like have his little mouth move a little bit when he's like when you're hitting the notes. Why don't we do that? That's something we could do for the next, maybe get it done in 30 minutes or so here. Now, I still haven't really figured out what, like when you're doing the battle, just pause this for a sec. So it's like, you got to win the battle by hitting the shit in time, but like, is the guy, is he singing at you? Because like, I like that he has like his little voice. I guess he's singing at you. I think I'm one of those things that I got to kind of figure out as the game goes on. Okay, so let's do this. Let's take the regular one. Is that vagina spot? Line goes up, baby. Line go up. Okay, so let's give him a little. Let's give him a little mouth here. There we go. Oh wait, we'll keep the eyes the same. We just want to get rid of the mouth here. This business wave is so goddamn funny. I know, that's what some people have said. They've told me the maggot looks poopy. He's kind of poopy. He's kind of poopy looking, but he's our poopy maggot. So one where he's kind of like oh, and then one where he's kind of like e. I might have to end up redoing the maggot art at some point, or I just let him be poopy. Oh, no, it needs to be more, still more kind of, oh, a little more open. More round still. Further down here, maybe. It looks too much like, but I want it to be kind of like, oh, like he's got some lip. He's like puckering his lips a little bit. It's a shame that I'm a terrible fucking artist. Sun dried him out. He's a cute poopy maggot. Yeah, more like that emote there. So I think it's got to be more, like kind of more droopy. So I think more black space near the bottom still. So let's go, let's do this. And then less black space up at the top. Now he kind of just looks shocked. I need like a reference. Just the one dot is kind of effective, honestly. Let's see. Maybe just a circle like that, honestly. That's just kind of like, here, we'll do different color and then we'll, so what are we doing there? Just something like this. That's great. That's like exactly what I was going for, basically. Okay, and then one where he's kind of like E. So I want to have this same mouth for the 3 frames. Or more or less the same mouth, I suppose. Okay, so we'll get rid of all this shit. It means it's working. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Maggot lip reference. Yeah. Let me just pull that up real quick. Pull up a maggot singing lip reference. Okay, and then we'll adjust it slightly per frame here. So make a new tag. It is going to be super quick, so we might not have to change it, but we'll change it just slightly here. Throw the odd pixel in. Deform it just enough that it looks... Deform this one just a hair as well. Let's go like that, maybe. How's that look? Okay, that's good. And then we want one where he's like E. Eric Jaws, what's up, dude? Loving the game action. Thank you, bro. I've been obsessed, a little bit obsessed lately. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Dude, yes. Yeah, grab it. Shithole filled with turds, yep. Dude, shitification. Guys, everybody follow Eric Draws. He has made emotes and merch for us on the channel. He's an awesome artist. He's a real artist, not like me. This is my maggot, Eric, but it looks like it. Exactly. I was just about to say... I keep hearing that it looks like a poop. It's a poop maggot. Though, like, the saddest part too is that I actually just traced over a fucking... Oh, it's moved, but like, you know, that's the original. I traced over it, and it just looks like shit. Because I'm not a good artist. That's what they look like. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's a poop maggot. It's a poop maggot. With lips, baby. We're making them sing. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. But we'll give him a E. Oh. There we go. Okay, so we want one where he's like the dither. Yeah, I already dithered this guy. I think it made him even more poopy. Here's him without the dither. I don't know. They both look pretty poopy. I made another guy. I don't even know what I'm going to use him for yet. I've kind of just been pissing around with this art style. This guy here. I add a little dither into him as well. I got to make his head a little bit bigger. I don't know who this guy's going to be in the game yet, but he'll be something. It's pronounced schedule. Schedule. What am I looking for? What am I doing? Oh yeah, let's look at our reference again. So let's go here, boop, and then we want to find one that's like almost like the cringe face. Let's see. Probably just look up the cringe emoji. Yeah, like this kind of. Let's get a pixel art reference. I'm sure there's one. This is cursed. That's super cursed. Surprised there isn't a yeah, something like this one. Oops. Fuck off, Pinterest. This one here. So just kind of straight across. Let's see what we can do here. Something like this is probably going to be pretty close. No, that's too much like, we could give him little weird teeth or something, but no, that's... So it's got to be a little bit more like upturned, right? So maybe a little more like this, perhaps. It looks too much like a smile, somewhere in between. That looks kind of funny. It looks kind of derpy. What if we did it's not terrible, but it does look a little too smiley. More like Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's basically what I had. Could make it a little wider, I suppose. Still too smiley. And then what if, let's try, what if there's like one more layer of the black part getting wider? Something kind of like that, but more upturned still. So it's, That still looks too smiley. Oops. No. Whoa. What's going on there? Why is... There we go.
If you want to succeed in your life, remember this phrase.
You've reached the office of Dillard Maxis. Leave your name and contact information.
That might be okay.
I'll return your call at my earliest convenience.
I think that's as close as I've gotten so far. Good enough for now. Okay, so then let's just slightly change this per frame. This music is so funny, man. Freezing, I'm so happy you introduced me to this. No, then he gets too sad there. Let's see. This one will just do that. So it's slightly different per frame. Let's check that out. How's that look? Okay, I think that's good. All right, so 80s success music. It's called Business Wave. Sounds like a typical day in the UK there, baby. My fucking quads are... Feels like I worked them out yesterday, but I 100% did not. Looks like a mail slot. Put your package in my mail slot. Okay, so I'm going to want to export. I want to move this tag to the end. Can I just drag this over? One thing that's really not a nice workflow in Aseprite is shifting frames around. It's always a bit of a nightmare. So this is the E one. I add new tag again. Okay, so now, oh fuck, you know what? I just realized I did this all in the wrong goddamn project. Fuck, son of a bitch. This is the one we needed it on. That's the proper canvas size, fuck's sakes. Okay, that's okay. Oh my god, another thing that Aseprite does that drives me crazy is when you open a new project, you get this like, that fucking little no sign on your mouse, and then you're just dinked. What's going on here? You just gotta click around. There we go. Okay, so what we'll do. is we'll make 3 new frames like we did. Oops. Okay, and then what we'll do is we will... I guess all I really need to do is copy the faces over, so I could just do that. The problem is... Oopsies. Wrong layer. Problem is going to be lining it up exactly where I want it. I think I should be able to use onion skinning though. Let's see. Get rid of this. Turn onion skinning on. There we go. Okay, and then let's close this one. Oh shit, that was frame 3. Fuck. God damn. This is why I like doing everything through code, man. I hate this kind of workflow so much. Okay, so we got our 3 sprites. Let's just fucking delete the face out of all of them. Or wait, no, we can't do that because we need the onion skinning. Jesus Christ. Undo everything. This is maggot copy, right? Holy fuck. Alright, so we're gonna copy the face. So this is the O face. Alright, now we're gonna paste it on the face layer here. We'll move it over. This is the first frame. Is the first frame? Did I get the right one that time? Yes, I did. We'll delete the old face. And then we will turn on onion skinning. Line up the eyeballs. There we go. All right. Now frame 2. Get rid of the old face, onion skin, line them up. Okay, and then third frame. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck's sakes. Fucked up again. Jesus. One there. Doop, doop, doop. All right. Paste it on that one. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so now make a new tag. Actually, you may as well just move all these over first, and then we'll throw a new tag on there. And this one is O. Okay, something got fucked up with his eye on one of them. Maybe not. Does his eye always move like that? Yeah, it does. Except his eye is moving. It should be the other way. So it should be boom, boom. And then these should stay put. Fuck. And then, oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my fucking God. This shit drives me nuts. Okay, pull that in there. See, this is why I'm not a solderer. We were talking on the stream last night. Some of the guys were like, oh, you'd love soldering. Dude, I really don't think I would. There's no undo button with soldering. Okay, there we go. All right, so then let's copy these babies over one more time. Do-do. Boom. All right. Now we'll do the same thing. So we'll get the E frames going on. Looks like he's singing this song right now. Looks kind of, something's not lining up here. Not sure where the actual eye should be. Get the next one here. Okay, so this is the frame where his one eye moves. Okay, let's see. How does this look? I think I fucked it up again. Yeah, I keep moving. So this has got to go over 1 pixel, and then this one out 1 pixel. There we go. I think we got it now. Ah, something's different. I want the eyes to be the same. I just want the mouth to change, but I'm fucking something up here. Boom, boom, and then splits off. Let's see. He looks cross-eyed in that second one. Oh no, that's the same. So boom to boom. Yeah, eyes are the same. All right, never mind. We got it. Double check this one, yeah. Okay, we're good. We are good. Okay, so now we want to export this. I'll have to change some code, probably. Visible layers, all frames. think I called it maggot copy in my actual sprites thing here too. Yeah. Cool. Okay, we'll see if that breaks anything because of the increased width on the sprite sheet. Nope, we're good. The joy of having a teenager, eh? Linaris, welcome on in. My rear is dark. Oh, did it? Fucking that stupid. It's just, it's like my old phone. There you go. You should be good now. It just decides to turn itself off every now and again. Even though I have it set to when there's media, don't turn it off. And then 40% of the time it doesn't turn off. Just fucking decides to turn itself off all the time. More wonderful software we're all dealing with. Just ignore the user settings. Great. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, so we want to make a couple of new animations. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. You know what? Should we leave it here? Should we go for a little bit? Is it still music? I distinctly remember changing all the tags and everything. Oh, maybe I just didn't do the category. I bet. There we go. I don't know why that. I don't know why that. That set category one never works for the mods. Okay, you know what? Let's do another 20 minutes or so. You made the tea. Let's go, buddy. Okay. So let's go to. It'll be. We'll want to do this in the battle code probably, because that's what handles the notes and the sequence and all of that. Okay, so we got to start by making a couple new animations. Yeah, maybe I did change the tags and the title were different, so I probably just forgot to change the category. Okay, so where did we actually make? Where do we actually make these? Oh, here we go. All right. Yes. Here's what we want to do. So we'll do another one here. We'll go animations and place back. Oops. Okay, and then that's going to start on frame number. So this one will be O. So it'll be frame number 6, 7, and 8. Same duration. Same dimensions. Which I should probably make those constants. Oh, whoops. Oh, Jesus. There we go. And then we'll call this one, which one is this? This is O. Oops, impulse back. I got one of these like ergonomic keyboards and it's like I'm learning how to type again for the very first time. And place back. Okay. And then this one is going to be 9 to 11. Fucking Jesus. Ah. And we'll call this one E. I love this song. It's probably going to give me shit on YouTube, though, because of that fucking melody. Pricks. All right. Super expensive milk. Hungry carnivore. Yeah, that's scary. That's scary shit, buddy. Okay, so we got our animations. So now we just got to say when to switch to it. So, handle presses, that's where this will be. Press lane. Okay, so thank you for the follow. Let me see who that was. Excuse me. Ox Tamur. Thank you very much. Welcome in. Okay, so we're going to want to. So for the note, we do all this shit, and then I don't think this will have to be in that loop, so we should be able to just do this switch lane. So if it's 0, we're going to say battle box dot, is it switch animation? Set animation, I think. Set animation. We'll set it to O. We'll set that to the default as well. And then we'll go case 1. Okay, and then we need to set it back to the normal one when there's no note being pressed. You back home? Nice to have the boot off. Damn, dude. Fuck, my legs are cramping, dude. Must be dehydrated from getting sick. Man, I went through it was like multiple Kleenex boxes in the last couple days. Just blowing my nose. Okay, so then how do we got to reset this. So we hit the note, we press the lane. Oh, I know. There is a function here somewhere that resets the music. Why is my animation's not working? Oh, whatever. Here it is. Nope.
Strong safety.
Spawn note, stop here, stop sounds.
ABS anti-lock brake system.
And then we'll set the set animation. Why are you fucking... What the hell's going on here, man? My shit's all fucked up. Battlebox.set animate. Why is it not showing up that that's a function? Jesus Christ, man.
VSC. Vehicle stability control.
This argument to member function has type const battlebox, but function is not marked const. Why was I able to do that? Why can I do it here? No problem. Am I typing something wrong? Battlebox.set animation. Oh, because const is marked. Yes, I see. That should not be marked const. Oh, fuck's sakes. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Learning how to type all over again here with this new goddamn keyboard. Here we go. Stop sounds.
Global Outstanding Assessment.
Make it a non-const. There we go. All right, let's see what happens. Massacre of El Karoke, hell yeah, by ear. Ice Dragon, welcome in. What are you playing it on, guitar? All right, let's see if he sings. Let's see if he changes his animation. Nope. Okay, and then there's also a little flash there where the animation sets back. I don't like that. So that makes me wonder if it might make more sense to have the mouth be a totally separate thing. Because this here, when it resets the animation, there's that little, like, you can see where it switches. I don't like that. There might be something in the animation itself that I could do, because it's like it's kind of like it like resets it to the first frame or something. But first we got to get it to actually change the animation. We'll go back to O. And did I title those animations properly? OHH and then EEH. EEH, OHH. That should be fine. Let's throw some. Oh, I know. I do, man, I make this mistake all the time, not putting break statements in there. This might fix it. Let's see. Oop. On banjo, hell yeah. It is. Give me 1 sec. I'll figure it out. I haven't played that in a long time. Okay, I think it is changing, but then it's changing right back. Let's throw some prints in here. I know it's in the key of C minor. I can't remember the tuning. I think it's like open G minor tuning, capo 3 maybe. Nice. You're doing lots of claw hammer, I take it? Yeah, so it is getting changed, but then it's getting set right back. So I got to look at why that's happening. Let me grab this for a second. Stonks. Hell yeah. Okay, man, how does this song even go? I gotta see here. It has been a long time since I played this one. A long time. El Karoke, what album was that on? Illusion and Doubt. I want to say Capo 3 for some reason. fuck. I'm gonna get yanked off YouTube. Fuck's sakes. God damn it. Shit. Okay. Let me just think about it. Okay, I think it's actually standard tuning capo 3 with the 5th string not capoed. It's maybe, I might have capoed it way up there, but just listening to that, it sounds like it's on that G. And then playing like the A minor shape. Something like that. Something like that. It's in that zone. So you're playing kind of the A minor shape, some C's, G's, A minors, capo 3, no capo 5th string. I might be wrong. If I had to go on stage and play it right now, that's what I would think. All right, let's leave it there for today. It's almost 2:30. You and me both, brother. Brother. So we'll just say new working on new maggot animations. All right, thank you very much, everybody. That was a fun stream today. Feels good to be back. Hopefully I don't get fucking sick again this goddamn weekend. Ice Dragon anytime. All right. Who are you raiding? Who's online? Who's online ski? Hopefully, yeah, we'll be back for a full week again next week, I hope. Okay, we got a lot of folks doing software. Let's see. Who do we got that we're following? Who's doing some software stuff? Let's raid this person, Eris Ezra. I was watching Boolean's stream last night. He's another Godot game developer. And I think Eris is working on a rhythm game as well. I don't know. I've never actually hung out in Eris's chat, so we're gonna go meet her all together. Chuck her a follow if you can. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I really appreciate it. We will see everybody on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Hell yeah. Elanuka, is great to see you too. Lori Castellos, Elanuka, Nikki, Pirate Smith, Peach Teach. Anybody else I'm missing? Auntie Ladane, Ice Dragon Freezing, Karen Z, Magnus. Thank you, everybody. Hell yeah. All right, we're going to go raid Eris. And we will see. Oh, okay. I saw the scene just changed. I was like, oh, is she done? No, I think we're good. All right. We'll see everybody Monday. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Visible. So now if I export it as it is back into here, it should now be visible if I go back into this guy. When I lower it, and hello, Colton Crawford, possibly? Welcome in the stream, and thank you for the raid. Thank you, as things are breaking. But hi, welcome in. Let me do this guy here. Does that work? Because no, wrong button. No, we're good. Hi, everyone. Welcome in. Let me go ahead and do a slash shout, if it lets me. Slash shout, SHOUT, that's not shout out. SHOUT, and then at, and then the name. There we go. Welcome in. I hope you had a lovely stream. I 100% understand if you have to raid and run, but I hope your stream was good nonetheless. Let me show you all what I've been working on for a little bit over a year now. If I click on play here, I'm currently making a rhythm typing cafe game. If I pause this guy here, it's the second game I've ever made. The hope is that I can combine some of my favorite genres together. If I click on you here, if I click on you here, and I click on you here, and I do this all lovely. If we enable the music here, here's the game. If I bring you into the cafe, what you'll be able to see is this is the main character. You play as a necromancer who's sent to a prestigious wizard academy, but you don't want to become a necromancer. You want to become a baker, a chef. So you find a hidden part in the school where you can make a little cafe of your dreams. And as you go along in the game, customers will spawn, hence the cafe idea. Customers will spawn, you'll have to sit them down, they'll look at the menu, order it, and this is where the rhythm typing comes into play. In this world, magic is done via poetry, so you have to type out poems to the beat. If I go ahead and take the customer's order, I forgot about that. We just added that today. Oh boy. Once the order has been taken now, and there's 2 characters now, could you elaborate on what you mean, Psychedelic Kitten? I would be happy to explain. Or do you mean this and this? Oh, so this is a school uniform. Any necromancer wears purple. So this character, because she's a necromancer, she wears purple. And their color, there's flavors associated with each wizard. Here, wizards, if I click on this, you'll be able to see necromancers are associated with the flavor of bitter. And if I click on this guy, you'll be able to see medimancers, which are a new class, are healer wizards. They're associated with the color of pink, and they're a sweet flavor. So you have to combine different flavors in the game, and different flavors have different attributes. If I go back into the sky, this person wants a bitter cookie. So let's go ahead and grab a bitter cookie. If I bring you into the cafe here, we need to grab this guy, throw him away, and we need to grab bitter. So that's bitter. And then we need to grab a cookie. I realize that's broken. Oh no. Let's grab a cookie. Here we go. And wow, it looks like a different game. That's good. I'm really happy to hear that. A lot of work has certainly been done. I can say that for certain. When I hold down Q, the idea is that I'll have to type down the button when it clicks or when it matches up with the white circle. So if I hold down Q here, let's see how well I can do. I-N space W-I-N-T-E-R. I can't tell that one. Oh no. Okay. K-E space comma. Oh boy. Space. And then we have a M-Y space A-R. Okay. M-S comma space S. There we are. Okay. E-A minus B-L-U. E comma space S-H-O. T space G-O-O-D space. Yep. I'm surviving. That's what matters. And then we have here W-H-E-N space I-T space. And then I and S. And that is the game in a nutshell. Right now it's in prototype as you can see there are bugs galore. We're working on the minimum viable product for the game, so making sure the game is a cafe game as well as rhythm typing. That's in a nutshell though. And we can go ahead and give the customer their well-deserved cookies. They'll eat it and then they'll leave. What you walked in on for the raid was that we were trying to add candles. Candles will show the patience of the customer so that you know if they're about to walk out on you. And I was talking about how the Z-index of Godot, it's a little bit finicky, and I think I just fixed it. If I click on you here and click on you here, I think now if I go up and down, see, now it's fixed for some reason. Okay, where do we put this at? Do we put them in the corner, do you think? Like here? And then if we duplicate this guy here, oh no, okay, grab that there. Oh, never mind, it won't let me grab it. If I reach that button maybe, and now I see, got ya. Okay, we grab these 2 guys here, and then we duplicate it, grab this guy here. I think this would be a good place to put it at. We could do down there, duplicate you, move it to here. This could be a good spot. It can go in the corner, maybe? I'm just worried about a little bit of overload, but I think we're good to go. Slide that over a little bit there. We'll add the other candles now, so you would get moved to over here. And I do like the way the candles look. I am quite happy. It was a brief done of, but I enjoy it. Let's see here. Move that there and move that there. There we are. And I think you're using the Z-index in an unintended way because it's trying to make the table be like a vertical wall in front of your tabled objects. The thing is, I have a lot going on with a lot of the players and customers and ordering. If I click on play here, and I haven't used it myself, but it seems so, yeah, the tables are they're their own thing. They are like a wall. They are being treated like a wall. If I pause it here, the thing is, what's going on is that I have one layer for the top of the desk and one layer for the bottom of the desk. When I am in front of the desk, I want to be visible. But when I am behind the desk, I want the bottom to be visible. So I had to create some sort of system where things are when you're behind it. Not only that though, when the customers, that also had a thing to play in. I couldn't find anywhere online where it did it correctly. So now if I'm in front of the customer, I'm in front of the customer. I can go behind the customer. I can also go through the customer. This is really tricky to figure out. And it's definitely janky. I can't agree to that 100%. But all in all, I'd say it ended up working out. If it works, it works. Oh boy. And I think the candles, do they feel like they would look... I'm quite happy with the candles. Now, the question is, would it be better to do different colors for the candles? Or do we do... Yeah, I do like this. I think this is nice. I'm wondering, do we want to do silver? Do we keep it the gold? I definitely think this will work out well, especially when they are animated. And let me grab your dish here. Oh, I forgot about the scribble. Oh boy, we need a sweet bitter cake. I don't know if I can spawn that in pretty quickly. I want to see what the dish looks like. I think cake is 1, and then maybe it's 2 here. Sweet bitter cake, that's sweet bitter cookie. Let's see, is it 0 for sweet bitter cake possibly? That's bitter cake. Let's see, there. That's sweet cake. Sweet bitter cake, maybe it's 3. That's sweet bitter. I think that's sweet bitter. I can check now. Is it sweet bitter cake? Yeah, the purple one is sweet bitter cake. Look at that. And hi, Queen Leo. Welcome in the stream. Welcome in. I hope you've been well, and welcome back as well. That is a name I do recall. We have a sweet bitter cake, and when we serve it to the customer, ooh, yeah, I like it. I think that works out well. It's easy enough, I think, to see what's going on, and clear enough, especially with everything else working. And how are you doing today? I'm doing lovely. I'm doing excited as things have been coming along smoothly after 2 months of working on this book. This book has hurt me internally and externally. What I can show you is the book here, and I'm just so happy now that there's a little unlock thing and you can see the different combinations. What we've been working on today is making it clear what's going on, and I can show you the animation we just finished, as well as the mechanic. One issue was that when people played my game, they didn't understand the animations that were happening. It was very difficult to see what was going on, so I made things as best I can a lot more obvious to hopefully make it easier to understand. And my goodness! Welcome in! That's 2 rates in a row. My goodness! Welcome in. Is it oh, I say welcome back. I told you my not good with names. Welcome back then. Welcome. Let's see. Let me do shout out for you / shout out. And welcome in, Raiders. And I hope your stream went well, and I do understand. Again, ready to run. Let's see. At DEN here. Then is it? Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce it. And is your shell a theme? Could you elaborate what you mean? And I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe Tamid. Could you elaborate what you mean? I'll give that shout out there. I'm currently working on a rhythm typing game where you have to type out poems to the beat in order to serve customers. This customer here is awaiting their waiter.